You can learn an unbelievable amount by studying some of the best in the world in a particular field. And in this video, we're going to look at one of the best brands on Shopify, in my opinion, that has absolutely boomed in the last 4 years. And they've rode a trend spectacularly. They're really masters at what they've done. So let me just share this with you. We're not going to waste any time. The store I'm talking about is Oura Ring. Oura Ring is a brand that sells a sleep ring. So it's a ring that gives you a ton of data on your sleep. Now it does more than that. It also gives you data on your, I think it gives you data on calories that you're burning, on your steps, things of that nature. And as you see, their traffic distribution is absolutely crazy. So you can see here, it's 4.4 million monthly visitors. That's an unbelievable amount of people, right? And what I want to do is carefully analyze how they're doing this. We're going to look at all their social media pages, all the ads that they're running, and we're going to try to do it quick. I don't want to waste your time here. So first things first, what I want to point out is this text right here. It's kind of small, so you may not be able to read it. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Ultimately, what it says is this: Oura Ring is the first wearable designed to paint a truly holistic picture of your health. Born in Finland, our superior craftsmanship and human-centered philosophy give way to a wellness product loved by millions. So, human-centered philosophy, that's kind of a persuasive word that stood out to me, and truly holistic picture of your health. That also stands out to me as a very persuasive way to explain what they do. And one of the crazy things I see is that this brand has absolutely blown up through the biohacking trend. So of course they solve sleep, right? I mean, they want to help you get better sleep, but now they're a holistic wellness brand, not just sleep. Despite them starting within the sleep niche, they've expanded. And these guys have just perfectly been positioned to take advantage of this huge health kick and biohacking trend. So they've really approached a massive problem in the world and just tried to solve it in a small way, right? Just by giving you full data on your day-to-day health. That's a huge way, or actually that's a small way to solve a big problem, right? And that's a really interesting thing to note. Now, let's look at their landing pages. Let's actually get technical here. So we'll click shop and we'll see what they got. So we see our most personal smart ring ever. I used to have an Oura Ring, by the way, but I lost that thing like 3 times and then I just gave up on it. But it's pretty cool. So up to 8 days of battery life, live healthier, longer. That's a powerful statement right there. That's a powerful headline. And again, guys, when I show these, at least for me, I'm noting these down, all these things down for some of the stores that I own or that I'm a part of, for some of the clients that I work with, for our community. So if you have a brand, right, and you're watching this, make sure you're noting these things down to apply to your business. Like, how can you make shorter headlines that are more impactful? Live healthier longer. That's pretty applicable to a lot of brands, especially in the health niche. So, that's a good one to take or copy and apply to your business. A finish for every lifestyle. Okay. So yeah, super clean landing page. Choose your Oura Ring 4. Okay. So they're kind of going after this like really fancy vibe, which I gotta say is super original. I mean, this is very, very original. You don't see this sort of thing very often in the e-commerce space. Most people use a very similar template and structure for the landing page. This is very different. And as you see, it's not a cheap product by any means. It's $349. Actually, that's the finish. So let's see. Choose your size. Okay, they'll send you a kit. And then you can get some sort of insurance here. We'll skip the steps. So they're selling insurance for it. That's pretty brilliant. If I would have had insurance on mine, I would have been, I'd still have my Oura Ring. So that's very smart. And as you see, they got their checkout. So let's click checkout. And actually, it seems like they're using their own independent website now. It may not even be a Shopify store anymore. So super cool. I mean, these guys are going after a really, really big total addressable market here. I mean, anybody could use this ring. And it seems like they're doing everything right. So if we look at their revenue estimates, I did look it up here. They did over 100 million in 2021, and they're estimated to be doing over 500 million now. That's pretty insane. So they're growing basically like they're doubling every year. And over the span of multiple years, that's a pretty ridiculous number. And I can see this going into the multiple billions. Actually, they're valued at 5.2 billion as of December 2024. That's a huge valuation, 5.2 billion. I remember when this brand was very not small, but doing under $1 million a month. I remember it very clearly. And now they're a $5.2 billion brand. E-commerce is so scalable. It's pretty unbelievable, actually, to see that, and super inspiring. But let's get a little bit smaller here. Let's look at their ads, right? Because believe it or not, Meta ads is one big way that this brand has continuously grown. And it's a way that a lot of the big e-commerce brands grow. In fact, it's a way that a lot of even big companies grow, right? I saw a chart recently on Neil Patel's Twitter where it showed how much brands spend on ads, or like the percentage that they spend on paid ads. And the bigger the brand, the more they spend on paid ads. It kind of makes sense. So it's actually smart to spend on paid ads, even if you're a small brand, because it's easier. This is kind of a hack, or at least how we approach marketing on paid ads, which is what we do primarily as a service at academylab.com. Outside of our community and coaching, is when all these big brands are advertising, it makes it easier for you to sneak in there and stop the scroll and be different, right? So you can take the winning concepts that other brands use, but apply it to your brand, make it more relatable, maybe put your face on it, right? Who knows? All these different things can actually give you an edge. And the fact that some of these brands have been able to scale to these numbers with, let's say, just Facebook ads. Of course, for Aura Ring, there's a lot more than that. But just the fact that they're able to reach that sort of scale with Facebook ads is a really optimistic thing for any business, in my opinion. So don't neglect Meta ads, and don't give up on it too, just because it hasn't worked very well. So anyways, let's look at some other ads. They have 77 different active ads right now, which is actually surprisingly not that much, not that many ads. I've seen, stores that are much smaller run a lot more ads. And again, it's probably because they built a word of mouth. They've really found product market fit. They've built word of mouth. They're, hiring influencers, creators. They're probably hiring newsletters, podcasts. Like they're at just a totally different level, right? But still, this is, I'm sure, a very foundational piece to their revenue is their Meta ads. And let's take a look here. So they have a lot of story ads. So they're running a lot of these story ads. And if you see here, you probably can't see it. It's too small. Let me see if I can make it bigger. I can't. So, okay, this is like the biggest I can make it, I think. Some of these say, get in-depth insights into your sleep, stress, activity, heart health, and more with Aura Ring. So, I mean, that's a pretty simple headline. That's a very, very simple headline. Let's see this one. Don't sleep on the sale. So they are running sales ads, which is really smart. Definitely makes people shop when you provide a sale. From sleep to activity, Aura helps you learn how your daily habits are impacting your overall health so you can make sustainable changes. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Wow, look at this. So they're running some ads that are kind of interesting. So this is a fake text message ad. These are pretty interesting. So it says, you've been waiting for the perfect time to invest in your health. Now is the time. Shop Aura Ring Gen 3 up to $200 off. That's a really good way to position the sales price of the product. Invest in your health. Who wouldn't want to invest in their health, right? Oh, here's another sort of powerful headline. Commit to your health. That's another good one. Commit to your health. I like that. Let's see, there's a lot of things here. Get accurate data about your estimated peak fertility, chances of conception, and detected ovulation. Whoa, so this is a really interesting angle that they're going after here. And this is actually one of these secrets to Meta ads as well. But just, I think business in general, to be honest, is test your positioning, right? Like test your angle that you're going after, especially in your marketing. So, most of their angles are health, sleep, but right here they're testing fertility, chances of conception, detected ovulation. This is it's related to health, right? Of course it is, but it's very targeted. And I think that's pretty smart, right? This brand has this huge TAM, mass appeal, but they're not neglecting these, smaller, more niche down and targeted angles in their marketing. Super smart. Let's continue here. They're running a lot of ads in different languages. And yeah, that's pretty much it for their Facebook ads. Their Instagram is super, super clean. They have 800,000 followers. That's a lot of followers, and they actually get really, really good engagement. So they're providing a lot of value. Here is, for example, a post that they recently made, and it's kind of one of these carousel posts. These are super nice for Instagram for any brand, especially if you have a designer or if you have a good design eye. You can literally make these in Canva. Okay, you see here, you go sleep, don't sweat it, or do. So saunas may help jumpstart melatonin production, increase relaxation, both physically and mentally, help you enter deeper sleep. Want to see if using a sauna helps you fall asleep faster? Use the tags feature. So, they're kind of providing some value for their community on other ways to improve your health. But then, of course, adding a call to action to their brand at the end. That's super smart. And they're doing this a lot. So let's see. This one is another good one. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sex increases in Feb. So kudos to you. Members tagged. So this is so genius. I love this format that they're using. So they're just kind of talking about how, here, I'll read you the caption that they used. It's love and some very, very sexy data is in the air on Valentine's Day, according to stats from previous years. These guys are getting freaky here, but it works, right? It works. It's got a lot of engagement. And yeah, this is a just brilliant strategy for Instagram organic posting. And to be honest, these all could be ads as well. I think they could definitely be boosting some of these with ads. I think that's kind of a strategy that's going to make a comeback with Facebook ads, is not just running conversion ads, like running some engagement ads too. But let's look at their YouTube real quick. So their YouTube is pretty simple, 17K followers. Let's look at their videos, introducing Aura Ring. So this is a YouTube ad. It's mostly YouTube ads and sizing kit guides, so really, really clean guides. They do have a TikTok, but it's not loading. They have an X that's doing quite well. Let's see. Have you ever tried alternative therapies like acupuncture or aromatherapy to improve your sleep? So yeah, they're just talking a lot about overall health hacks, and then, kind of funneling people down into their product. Really smart. I mean, these guys are brilliant. Their Pinterest is actually not very popping. I think they're not putting an emphasis on this really at all. Makes sense. I guess it's just not a priority. But yeah, there's just so much to learn from this brand. I mean, I feel like we got a masterclass here in just like a few minutes or 10 minutes. I usually try to keep these under 10 minutes, but man, sometimes I just get excited when I look at these and I just get so many ideas. I'm very inspired also by their design language and how they translate that design language to literally every piece of content that they have, even in their ads. So, that's part of building a brand. That's like a next level that I'm learning about, and it's very interesting. But I still think there's so much actionable advice here that you can take into a smaller context and can be really impactful. So I hope you enjoyed this. Check out some of our links in the description. Of course, join our Discord and follow for more. You should definitely follow or subscribe if you haven't already. And that's about it. Peace.